So the idea is to have least in trading account, maybe 30,000 to 50, 60,000 rupee in the account, and make anywhere between 50 lakhs rupee over a period of 5 years. Okay. So this is the idea behind creating this indicator. We are not bothered where the Nifty is. We are not bothered where the which strike price is. Okay. So our aim is to make money. If you remember in one of the videos I have told, I'm a trader. If tomato sells at 4 rupees, I'll buy it at 4 rupees and sell it at 4 rupees 50 paise, make 10% profit. If tomato sells at 45 rupees, I'll buy it at 45 rupees and sell it at 50 rupees and make 5% profit, 10% profit. I'm a trader. I'm not bothered where the tomato is. My job is to make money, make profits. Okay. So we are not bothered where Nifty is. We are not going to forecast where Nifty is going to go and all. Our job is to make money, scalp, make money. That is the basic idea. So if you take 5 years, it has got 240 trading days. So in 5 years time frame, you have 1,200 trading days. So if your target is making 50 lakh rupee, then ideally you will be able to make 4,166 rupees profit. So if you factor 20% tax, around 5,000 rupee you need to make money. So even spillage, if you take 10%, around 5,500 is the money you need to make each day. That is the idea. So if you have start with day one with a capital of 50,000, you need to make 5,500 rupees a day. So this you can further downgrade. Each trade you are not going to make 5,500 rupees. Okay. So if it is day one today, you might make 1,000 rupees, 1,050 rupees, 1,800 rupees, -500 rupees, like that. Okay. So have a kind of Excel like this for 1,200 days. Your target is make 50 lakh rupees. But once you do this for one mandala, 49 days, it becomes a habit. This 5,500 can be made into 11,000 also, 15,000 also. You will end up making bigger money. So first you should start making 5,500 rupees each day. That's all. Once again, getting a call. Hello. Sir. I switched off my mobile. People are calling, joining late and calling me also. Okay. So the idea is to make 5,500 rupee, 6,000 rupee each day. So this is the indicator. We have two indicators in the panel. One is on top, this is called HADC, high Kanashi definitive candle. So this gives buy call whenever price makes low, and then there's a divergence in RSI and ADX. Okay, it takes Arun indicator. The Arun indicator plots the swing low, double bottom, something like that, and then it looks for divergence in RSI and divergence in ADX. Then it plots buy. This can be used for positional trade also. You can see monthly Nifty has given buy call at 8,000, 9,200 odd, and see 18,673, almost 9,000 points, right? Again, it has given buy call here 60,878, 17,000 odd, 25,380, 7,000 points. So you can use this for swing trades, positional trades. If in monthly chart Nifty gives a buy call, you can add Nifty 50 heavyweights like Reliance, HDC Bank, Axis Bank. Those indexes can be added also. Okay, so this is not only for intraday scalping. You can use it for swing trade. You can use it for position trades. You can use it for investment trade also. Okay, that is the basic idea. This is about the top HADC indicator. The bottom indicator is the Ichimoku on profit. This white line is not the price line. We have factored VWAP. Okay, whenever the price closes below VWAP and there is some say 1 lakh volume, we think we note down writers have made money below ATP, right? Okay, the same way when the price closes above VWAP, that's 1 lakh volume, we write the buyers have made money. So we are actually capturing the profit of the market. Okay, so this gives a robust indication on how the market is going to behave. I take this Ichimoku on profits as bias, and then HADC as the trigger for taking a trade. So next 1 hour or 1.5 hours, we look into Nifty 50 ITM 4 option. If the market is priced 26,000, we'll look into trading 25,800 call and then 26,200 put. So pre-open is 25,930. So we look into trading 25,700 call and 26,100 put. That is the basic idea. So we'll go to Nifty, take options, 25,700 call option. We'll choose 2-minute time frame. For people without premium, 2 minutes will not be there. So we'll take 3-minute time frame. Then we'll also take 26,100 put. So this is what we are ready to take a trade. So what could be the target? Okay, so we will know the previous swing low or previous swing high. So if I go to take 30 minutes time frame, it has given sell call at 342 odd, right? So this could be the target, the initial target for 20,100 put. And if you see it was ranging here. This could be the immediate resistance. $248. Okay, so these two lines I mark and I'll be ready. I'll be going to 3-minute time frame. Same thing I do it for 25,700 call. I take 30-minute time frame. So immediate support is 235. I mark it here. Then it has given buy call at 139. So these two places I marked. When it comes here and gives a buy call, I expect good return. Hope it is clear how to have bias using previous buy trigger and previous supports.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. So till here, any doubt here?
Guruji, we watch only these two strikes and not no the underlying.
We watch only the strike prices.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So you can split the screen also. Side by side, you can have the 20,200 put and 20,700 call.
Guruji, time frame for call is 30 minutes.
Yeah, I'll be changing it.
Guruji, you can just right click on the 25,700 call and say apply to indicators. It will apply to the other window also.
Got it. So this is given sell now. Okay. So we'll just wait for some time. The initial market can be very quick.
Guruji, both the strikes are in 2-minute time frame or.
I'm keeping 3-minute time frame because all might not be having a premium version, right? The premium version only allows 3 minutes time frame. 2-minute time frame it doesn't allow.
Okay.
So usually I keep 2-minute time frame, but for the people who are not having premium version of Ichimoku, I am keeping 3-minute time frame.
Guruji, I think still the chart on the call is 30 minutes and put is 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah. So now you see the Ichimoku coming down, right?
Yes.
So we will wait for this candle to close. 3-minute candle to close. Another 1 minute 25 seconds to go. Okay. We will see if the Senko B and Senko A become flat.
Guruji, put is still 2 minutes.
So once this time is over, I will change the Lakshman Rekha to 270. Another 28 seconds to go. Okay. I will wait for the Senko B to become flat. Still the call is in profits, right? It is above the zero line. Just now it crossed below. Okay. Now it has started coming down. Even the Senko B has started coming down. Okay. I'm longing 26,100 put at 242, 243.
200, sir.
200, sir.
200 put, yeah.
So Guruji, you don't wait for the buy candle high to break, is it? For 26,200 put.
This is the Bruce Lee kick, right?
Yeah,
The Senko A is going up, Senko A is going up,
correct.
and Senko B is going down, Senko A is going down for the put, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So usually this scenario, even if I'm wrong, I can average and I'll get an exit route at cost.
Okay.
So it is almost delta 1, 20,200 put is delta 1. So I will expect this price to cross the day's high for this candle, for the Bruce Lee kick to continue.
Okay, got it. Okay. Yeah, so cross now.
If it doesn't make higher high, okay, then usually it will come down, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Now it is 1,500 rupees, 20 points, right? I booked one lot. My stop loss for the next lot is safe. So I can run this till this Senko B becomes flat. This Senko B becomes flat, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
So you know the rule, 8 rules of Ashtanga Yoga or Ichimoku, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this has crossed zero line.
We can leave it like
I have 20 point stop loss for one lot, even till 222. I don't lose money, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Each day, this gives almost 10 to 12 opportunity to make anywhere between 15 to 20 points. Okay, 10 to 12 opportunities with 10 points itself is 200 points, which is 15,000 rupee. Even if you spend some 3,000 rupee towards brokerage and your stop losses and all, it is going to be almost 10,000 to 11,000 rupee a day. So I'm running this towards this 285. Okay. Here we have broken the day's low, right? The previous level which we have plotted is somewhere at this place, 236 odd. So this can come down to 236 and this can go to 285. Okay, at that place, I'll go to 1 minute time frame. So if you see here, the call option is going to break even. The Senko B is near zero, right?
Yes.
And here the Senko A, Senko B is farther from zero. Once they reach the zero level, they may choose to exit, right? Abba, market has given me exit route, right? Say you got stuck up at 207, 280. Okay. Now it went to 156, even less than that, right? So you have average somewhere, and then you get an exit route at zero. Most people, once they come here, they exit and then look for next opportunity. Even biggies can do that, right? So before the market, I am ready with my level. I went to 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, mark the place from where, it got sold. If you remember, I marked this place and said this could be a first level, this could be second level. Both happened.
Yes, Guruji.
So the Ichimoku bias gives you the supports and resistances, and the HADC gives you the trigger.
And it also helping in holding the trade, Guruji.
Yeah. Now in this scenario, if I get a exit trigger, I can exit and need not buy the call option, because the Senko A is falling, Senko B is falling, and profit line is below zero, right? So I can wait for the Senko B to become flat for the call option. Okay, so profit line to bit get inclined, right? So I can wait. I don't have to be in a trade. I can exit this at 285 odd and then wait and buy the same at 260, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Sir, you are using normal candle charts in put side, isn't it, sir?
It is normal candle chart only, but the plot will happen according to Heikin-Ashi. The background backend has been done with Heikin-Ashi. So trigger will happen with reference to Heikin-Ashi. Okay.
Okay.
I'm keeping normal. I'm just waiting for the price to cross the 285. And then, the Senko B going up above the zero line. It is minus 1.54, right? I want that to go above zero. So we have got 40 plus 20, 60 points. You can see this is coming very near to 38 point odd, and this has gone exactly to 285, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Hi, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. I couldn't understand that Big is getting exited at 0 point. So could you please repeat, sir?
Can you talk slowly? I didn't understand. Or your mic is a bit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, sir, I didn't understand the part you explained on at 0 line. If Senko B reaches 0 line, the Biggies would exit. So I didn't
The
understand.
zero line is the ATP line. Okay. This white line is profit line. Okay. Profit line maybe depending on the VWAP. Okay. The profit line is plotted on the VWAP. As this zero line is anchored VWAP. Maybe we can tell.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now the call option came down and just hit the yellow line, and this has crossed the blue line. Okay, for me this is good enough, right? I'll trail stop loss. Okay, I'll trail stop loss to 268, 270, the previous candle low. If it goes up further, I'm happy. If it goes up, I'm happy.
Okay, got it.
I'll repeat again. This zero line is basically anchored VWAP or ATP. Okay, this white line is basically VWAP. I calculate the profits of the biggies. It is not the price line. Now the Senko A has crossed the zero line. Senko B is just below the zero line. Okay, it can, as I told, biggies or the people who got stuck, they might exit at this place. Okay, and then buy it back at a lower price. Because they had been praying all the Ishtadevata, Kuladevata for exit route, today. When they see the exit route, usually they exit, right?
Guruji, some people have messaged to admit them.
So my trailing stop loss got hit. Okay, I'll wait for the next opportunity. I'll go to 1 minute time frame. You can see this line I plotted before the market. This line also I plotted before the market. Now in 1 minute time frame it has given buy call. As I'm in profit, I've longed 25,700 call at 244, 245. My stop loss will be the day's low. Stop loss got hit.
Sir, how do we mark that blue and yellow line, sir?
I'll be sharing this video again.
Okay, sir.
You can watch that. Before the market
Sure.
itself, you have marked it.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Now, we have got the Senko B becoming flat here, right? The Senko is inclined up. The same way for the put option, Senko B has become flat. And the profit line is started to come down, right? So now if it gives a buy trigger, call gives a buy trigger, I'll be longing with confidence.
Guruji, on a 1 minute time frame, we might get in a lot of trades, but again, there is chance of getting the stop loss.
Stop loss might hit 2-3 times, but
Okay.
it will give you good returns. Say we already made 45 points. Right?
Points, yeah, correct.
I've longed again. So almost 10 points. So I'll wait for it to cross the previous the high it made, right?
Yes, sir.
One higher high, right? So I just keep on adding, if I trade 1 minute time frame, my profit expectation is not more than 7 to 10 points. Okay. That is the ATR, right? ATR into 1.5 for that time period, right? So if you trade 3 minute time frame, maybe you can expect anywhere between 15 to 20 points. Okay. When you trade 1 minute time frame, you expect not more than 7 to 10 to 12 points.
Got it.
Yeah. So I just, add 750, 1,500. Say my target is to make 5,134 or 5,500 a day to make 50 lakh out of 50,000 for a period of 5 years. Okay. But I might not make 5,000 in a single trade each day, right?
Yes, Guruji.
5,000 I split into 750, 1,500. Once I reach the, my target, then I become very, conservative.
So Guruji, on the call side, Senko A is going up, Senko B is flat.
Yeah.
And on the put side, the Senko
A is coming down and Senko B is flat.
coming down.
Yeah, that is why I gave buy call.
So gives a clear bias, Guruji. Yeah.
Say this I told,
Yeah.
4 minutes back, right? So we have made 20 plus 30 plus 10 plus 10. So now till the, this Senko B doesn't come down, this Senko B doesn't go up. Okay, my stop loss is safe for 1 lot. Now we are in 1 minute time frame. It's a breakout retest in 1 minute time frame. It can be buy in the 2 minute time frame, right? 2 minute time frame is becoming flat, correct? What is a sell in 1 minute time frame? Could be a buy in 2 minute time frame, right?
Yes, Guruji.
So I don't have to, just because the call option gave sell call, I don't have to go and buy put option. I can just think of what's happening with Senko B. You know these rules, right? The 8 rules of Ichimoku. If you understand that, okay, the Ichimoku gives you the bias, the HADC gives you trigger. If the HADC trigger is against the bias, you don't have to go.
We can stick to call option or put option, and then keep trading the same strike again. Yeah.
So this has given 10 points for the third time, right?
Yes, Guruji. Not even 30 minutes. If you have captured 50, 60 points, that's a good deal. No need of sitting in front of the system till 3:30.
For just 2 lots. Even the the second first lot we booked much ahead. Now this is breaking the 10 candles low, right? The put option. So
Guruji,
we
one
should be
moment.
very clear.
Guruji, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, just one moment, Guruji. When you were saying that when our HADC is against our bias, what should be done? I missed your word. There's an audio issue.
You don't trade that.
I don't trade that. Got it, Guruji. Okay, thank you.
See, this is the bias. Still, this is not inclined going down, right? This is making double bottom, triple bottom. Okay. You don't have to go for the put.
Got it, Guruji. Clear. I didn't hear that. I got it, Guruji. Thank you.
Now my trailing stop loss got hit for the call option. I will wait for the next trigger. I want the Senko B 12.78 to go up. Even as the price broke the day's high, the profit line is not going up. That means people are using the upside to exit. So I'll wait for this candle to close and then buy 25,700 call. If the put option doesn't reach the day's high. $234, I bought double 25,700 call. So till this profit line doesn't come down, my stop loss is safe. I'll average and I'll find an exit route also. If you had taken the price, okay, when this made higher high, ideally this Senko B would have gone up, right?
Yes, Guruji.
Because we took the profits, even as it made higher high, this did not move up.
Yeah.
So for 2-minute time frame, okay, 10 to 12 points is the ATR. I'll be booking a part of 234 buy, and my stop loss is for the balance is safe till 222 also, right?
Yes.
Now the time is 9:50. My target for the day is 5,500. I have tracked more than 6,000 rupees. Trading only 2 lots. And in that also exiting 1 lot with least profit. Now I'm just waiting for this put option to breach this double triple bottom. Once it goes below this 264, we can expect 265 to 78 for this call option.
Uma Mahesh, can you please go on mute?
So next support for the put option is around 248 odd. Okay. If it breaches this line on a closing basis, 264. Now this profit line is minus 21.57. So closing of this candle, this should shoot up. This should ideally go up above the Senko A, which is minus 19.14. So we got another 25 points, 234 to 259. So we'll push stop loss to near. So if you look at this put option, the sell pressure is more. Okay. The profit line is well below the Senko A. Okay. Whereas on the call side, the buy pressure is not that much there. It has not gone above the Senko A. Once this also goes above the Senko A, this minus 20.03 and 19.10. If this goes past 19, then this can shoot up fast. Now it is called Bruce Lee hug. Okay. If the price comes down, I'll average or I'll buy a 25,700 call more confidently. Okay. So if you look at the Ashtanga Yoga for Ichimoku, okay, you can see here the price is coming down or profit line is coming down, whereas the Senko B is going up. Same way, the profit line is going up, whereas the Senko B is coming down. This we call it as Bruce Lee hug. So in my training, there will be three terms: Bruce Lee punch, Bruce Lee kick, and Bruce Lee hug, right? So if Senko B comes down and the price goes up, that we call it as Bruce Lee hug. Bruce Lee hug converts into Bruce Lee punch and then into Bruce Lee kick. So those who subscribe to this indicator will be given access to the Ichimoku video also for you to get fair idea about what I'm telling. So now there's a sell in the call option, buy in the put option, but I will not be longing the put option because the probability of making money in call option is less now because of the Bruce Lee hug. Okay, so I'll wait for some time and I look to buy the call option. So you can see, kind of inverse head and shoulder pattern, right? Around 237 to 240. If it comes, I'll buy the call option again. Now you can see the profit line has crossed the Senko A line. Okay. But when it hits the Senko B line, I'll be a bit careful. So it can go till here. This can go up to here. And then, people can exit. So imagine if I had bought this here at 270 odd, where it gave buy call. My stop loss would have got hit, right? Because I'm going against the buyer.
Yes, Guruji.
So I said 268 as possibility, and for the put option, 248 as the possibility, right? So we got 35 points for the call side, 35 plus another, 30 points. Okay, 10 points we made 3 times. So almost 65 points in the call option, and in the put option, we have made around 65, 70 points. Totally, we captured more than 150 odd points. Our target was to make 5,500. We have made more than 11,000 rupees. So we are 1 day ahead in reaching the target, right? So this is how we trade the HADC indicator with bias from Ichimoku on profits. As we have achieved the target for the day, we'll exit for the day. We'll connect tomorrow. Tomorrow's training will be in Tamil. So people who can understand Tamil can join. Another 3 or 4 days of training I'm planning, so that people can, they can get rid of their past. You don't have to worry about your, past anymore. You'll start making profits. The numbers will be, 5,000, 10,000 or 4,000, 3,000. That will be the differentiator, not the, profit or loss.
Sure, sir. So do we give the recordings?
This recording will be up in YouTube once this gets converted. You can watch it.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we'll exit for the day. We'll connect tomorrow.
Thank you, Guruji.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Guruji.